Free game alert! Free game alert! That's right. It's Angel Denise back with some more free game for you. If you're a creative, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're an artist, if you have a small business of any kind, if you sell a service, a product, anything, this is for you. So listen up. And this might be kind of simple, and well, it is simple, but you'd be surprised at how many people just don't think about this stuff. They'll say, it doesn't work or my business is failing, and all you have to do is this one thing. Ready? Talk about it. Right, it's simple. Talk about it. Post about it. Talk about what you have to offer. If you have a product, talk about that product. You have a service, talk about that service, and offer some tips or tricks or whatever to help people to start their journey. And then you can show them how they can work with you to get even better results, So if you got a product, talk about it, post about it, show us pictures of it on your social media, post about it all the time. You know how many people say, I didn't even know you did this, or I didn't even know you were into that. That's because you're probably not posting about it enough. I had a consultation. Every now and then I do some pro bono work. I do some free consultations, and one of the entrepreneurs was saying, I post about my business, I do this, and nothing seems to be working. So I went and looked at her social media, and I'm like, you posted like twice in the last 6 months. That ain't gonna work. You have to post consistently. If it's not every single day and you got some other stuff going on, then post every 2 days, post every week, but be consistent in posting and keep doing it until it starts working. I mean, after it starts working, you want to do it more, but keep doing it. When you post once or twice or a couple of times in a long span of time, it just looks like inconsistency. If somebody pops up on your social media and you say you do this or you sell this or whatever, if there's any question in their mind that you are still around, then you're not posting enough. If they're like, well, I would buy this, but I don't even know if I'll be able to get a hold of anybody because the last time they posted is a week. What if I order and I can't get a hold of somebody for a week or two after, I send something to them? It's the same if you offer a service. If you offer a service, you want to constantly talk about that service that you offer. You want to talk about mistakes that people make in that field. You want to talk about misconceptions. You want to talk about, 3 things or 5 things, 10 things, whatever that people can do to get started on this journey. You want to talk about the different things to show your expertise. Let people know that this is something that you do. Like, you true to this, you do this. And then after some time goes on, people will come to know you for that thing. If you sell, let's say, sea moss for example, then you want to post about it so much that when anybody has a conversation, then they will think of you. If you talk about LLCs, and you're well versed in LLCs and you want to help people get their LLC up and running, you want to help them learn how the taxes go or whatever the case is, then you want to talk about that all the time, so that when somebody is thinking about starting a business, they have a question about their existing business, they are going to think of you and come to your page for either some information, or they're going to want to work with you so that they can get whatever situation they got going on resolved or make it better. So post about it, talk about your business to anybody who will listen. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this kicks you into gear a little bit to get you to start thinking more about how you can get creative with talking about your business, with posting about it. There's never a shortage of content. So do whatever you got to do within your core values to get the attention on your business that you need. So I'll be back with some more free games soon. But until then, just follow me if you're not already on my marketing page. Go back and watch some of the other free game videos. Check out some of the content and get your business going. Get it going. Get that money. It's a lot of money to be made. You feel me? All right. Peace. See y'all later.